Hello and welcome to day number 120 of our Travel Trader series, and I want to give you a quick update of what happened today. So today I went back into the markets, did some index trading. However, the first trade that I did went wrong, so it went against me after I got a nice signal, and then I closed it manually and took a loss of €1,195. And straight afterwards, like if I would have waited for it going further to my stop loss, it turned down again and went in my direction, and it would have been a win eventually. However, as I was a little bit impatient, I closed it with a loss. I put 3 more trades on than in index trading. So the first one was plus €190. The second one was plus €155, and the third one was plus €240, so I made some of the money back. And today I went into cocoa actually with 2 positions, and the first position is one that I already closed. So it went nicely into the positive. When it came back, I closed the first position to minimize my risk just in case the prices will drop further. So I made an additional €509.53 on that. So in total for today we are down, if you combine all these trades together, at minus €104.47, which is pretty much nothing compared to what we usually will earn. So let's see that we get that money back tomorrow and then some more. For our open trades, they are doing far better than just a few days ago. We have British pound euro, which came back still very negative at minus 2,600. However, it looks like it's going further in our direction at the moment, so everything is fine with that. We got another one in gold. Gold is currently down 260, although yesterday I think it was down roughly 500 something at one point. So here we're coming back as well. As I said, I put on 2 trades in cocoa. The second cocoa trade is still open and positive with plus €270. Then we are quite a lot short in US dollar, and first position is US dollar Swedish krona. We are up 17,600 Swedish krona, which is roughly €1,700. And we are up US dollar Singapore dollar 1,170 Singapore dollar, and that's around €740 if you convert it. And our zinc position is doing quite well as well, and we are up 945 US dollars. So we had a loss today with €104.47. However, we still have unrealized earnings of €700, and we're looking forward for tomorrow to make some more money and grow our account, so that when the next time we trade for charity in May, which is coming soon, then we will be able to make even more money than we did last time. So thank you very much for watching. I wish you a great evening. We'll give you a more extensive update tomorrow, especially as it's the end of the month. Thank you very much. Have a great evening and goodbye.